the Ika people of Agbor, right? Or the Agbor people of Ika. All right. Are they Igbo people?
No, we are not. We are partly Igbo anyway.
Partly Igbo, like how?
People hear Igbo language. We are from Delta. You see, Delta state is different from other states.
So I mean, is it about the state or about the people? I'm talking about the ethnicity of the people of Ika.
Not quite that. We are not Igbo. We are part of Igbo, I can say.
How can you be part of who you are not? All right, beautiful people, it's your boy again, the XDT at YPE, the extra talented young progressive entrepreneur, the RAB refinable boy, SBGC street boy gone classy, and I'm repping in Namen TV. The train of the Unified Igbo project just landed right here at the Eka South local government area, and the headquarters is Agbor. Agbor. Well, let's talk about the Eka people. The Eka people are very significant right here in Delta State and also in general Igbo community. They occupy about 3 local government areas here: the Eka South, the Eka North, and also the Eka Southeast. And the current governor of Delta State actually is from this land. He's an Eka man. I think maybe Eka North over there, just across the road. It's significant. Well, some time ago, the social media was thrown agog by a recent campaign launched by a social media content creator or content influencer or a social media influencer by the name Kechi Bianze, saying hashtag Eka not Igbo. But we are here, the Unified Igbo Project is here to find out from Eka people, who are they? Are they Igbos? Are they a race of their own? Find out with us as we make an inroad into the communities and into the villages and find out the Eka people, who they are. Thank you as we do this. All right, sir. Please tell us what's your name.
I'm Christopher Kade.
Christopher
Kade.
Kade.
Yeah.
All right, Kade. All right. Okay. Where are you from, please?
I'm from Umunede, Eka Northeast.
Umunede, Eka Northeast. Okay. All right. Can you tell us a brief about the Eka people?
Eka people that we know, as I know, myself personally, as I know, about the people, we are very lovely, and we are hard-working people. We are real heavy farmers. You know, we love our brothers and we love ourselves.
Okay, so okay, the Eka people are majorly farmers, eh?
Yes, we are farmers, and we are very good farmers.
Okay, very good one. All right, that means food won't be a problem right here. Okay, sir. Another question I want to ask you is here in Eka, we came in here and the language of communication here, I can hear it to an extent. It has some Igbo connotations. Tell us, Eka people, are they Igbo people?
Eka people, as I know, we are nicknamed Eka. We are Eka and we are Igbos. Right from here to Onitsha to anywhere, we are Eka. We are Igbo people. That's it.
Okay, Eka is an Igbo, Igbo people.
Yeah.
All right, so I want to know, what are the market days that are being practiced here?
That is what there are many markets in.
No, I'm not talking about I mean the market days.
The market days, we have Eka, we have Afo, we have Odie.
And what again?
Yeah.
And the Nkwo?
Nkwo, that's right.
Okay. So tell us, what's the highest traditional stool? The highest traditional stool of the Eka people?
No, where we have the Obis.
Obi?
Yes, the Obi of like the Obi here, like the Obi of Umunede. That is what we know.
What about the Dane?
The Dane, the Dane is the highest tool here now. Dane of the Dane.
The Bodeng.
Yes, the Dane is in charge. All the whole Obis are under him.
Okay, Obi is under Dane.
Oh yes.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell us, I mean, the arms of governance of the Dane administrating the traditional?
You had the ministers. You had the ministers working with him.
Yeah, what are their names?
I cannot.
I'm talking about the offices they occupy.
Yeah, you see, I cannot mention their names now because Personally, I cannot mention that at of man of Tumulidi.
Okay.
Not here.
Okay. All right. And okay. Having said that, so what are these festivals? What are the festivals that are being celebrated here?
We have Iwaji. We have Iwaji.
Iwaji.
Yam Festival.
Yam Festival.
Yes. We have Igbo Festival.
How do they do that?
They do it with happiness and not that they do it. In fact,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah. We have a Igbo Festival. We have a Yam Festival. We have that is it.
Okay. Now we have taken it upon ourselves to start up this campaign about the Unify Igbos. Our main aim is to unify Igbos across the Niger, within the Niger, and everywhere that Igbo people are. How do you see this?
We are really behind them, and we're happy to together. We are together. We are all together. We are together. We are all Igbos. We work together and want to unite together.
So you have the opinion that Igbos should speak with one voice.
Yes.
And the Eka people can speak with their brothers across the Niger.
Yes. In fact, we are doing anything possible if we can unite ourselves together, and we will now make sure that we the Igbos are the owner of this Nigeria.
Where nobody can claim the ownership of Nigeria.
Nobody.
As in no particular race.
We are one.
Yeah, we are one people, but what we are doing is to galvanize support for people to be under one umbrella.
What we are trying to do now, that we are now making sure that we the Igbos will now come together and make sure we unite together.
You are in support of this, eh?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
Water away.
Water away.
Exactly.
Okay. You don't have any other names?
No.
Okay, just water away.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, so where are you from?
I'm from Agbor.
Agbor here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we have a tradition. What we do, we go to communities that has affinity and affiliation with the Igbo race. Yeah. So we are here now in Agbor, the Ika.
Exactly.
Ika South
local government.
Ika South local government, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So we are here to find out the brief history of Ika people and also their migration stories.
Thank you very much. That it's very important to know the history of Agbor. Agbor estimated an area of about 140 kilometers, and Agbor we know that it's made up of 25 villages. These 25 villages is situated on the western extremity of Abudu in Ohiomu local government area.
Where is Ohiomu local government?
But Ohiomu local government is in Edo State. That Agbor share a boundary between Edo and that Ika share a boundary between Edo and Agbor. I don't understand. Then the 25 villages are, this is Ekukwagbo. This is
what? Mention it. What? Ekukwagbo.
Ekukwagbo. This is Aledema. This is Emohon. Boji. We have Obumuden. Abamise Ruru. We have Ehakme. We have Obisere. We have Obelihe. We have Ihogbe. Then Oki. We have Alehago. Then Idumoza. We have Agbonta. To Aliokpo, Aliagwa, Alehame. To Alishimia, Ozanogogo. To Alitekede, Alileha.
The Ika people of Agbor, right? Or the Agbor people of Ika. All right. Are they Igbo people?
No, we are not. We are partly Igbo anyway.
Partly Igbo, like how?
People here Igbo language. We are from Delta. You see, Delta state is different from other states.
So, I mean, is it about the state or about the people? I'm talking about the ethnicity of the people of Eka?
Not quite that. We are not Igbo. We are part of Igbo, I can say.
How can you be part of who you are not?
You see, we have different states. That Agbor, we are Delta State. We can call us Eka Igbo.
Eka Igbo.
Exactly.
Okay, all right. Let's break it down. Let's understand ourselves. Here, when an Eka man wants to say come, how does he do that?
You say Bia.
Eka man wants to say go.
Yeah, Jeme.
Jeme.
Jeme, yes.
Okay.
Our language.
Jeme.
Yes.
Okay, Eka man wants to say I want to eat.
Okay,
Eka man wants to say I want to travel. Eka man wants to say I want to marry. Eka man wants to say I want to build house. Eka man wants to say this is my house. Eka man wants to say these are my children. Exactly. Okay.
Not only one.
Okay. Okay. And a man wants to tell you that you don't belong here.
If you don't belong here, you say exactly.
And a man wants to say I belong here. The people migrate from anywhere.
Yeah, we migrated from. It says that the first Obi Ibudu gave son to Uwu. Uwu, we are told, was the first Obi of Agbor.
Obi, you do Obi here?
Yes.
The highest traditional stool is what?
Yeah, exactly, Obi.
So what about the Den?
Den is the present king of Agbor. The Den of Agbor.
So where is the Obi now?
No, that is the fourth. Many Obi have ruled Agbor before the Royal Majesty Agbor of Den of Agbor Kingdom.
Okay, the Den is also the Obi.
His title is Den of Agbor Kingdom. It's Royal Majesty.
Yeah. So what happens to the Obi rulership?
No, because this is a new era. The Obi reign have passed. This is now the Den of Agbor Kingdom.
What language is that Den?
It's Agbor Kingdom. It's Agbor language.
What does it mean?
It's a title to a king.
So okay, the Obi titleship has been obliterated.
Exactly. Nothing like Obi again.
Are Eka people Igbo people?
They are not. We are different from Igbo.
But they speak Igbo.
If you speak Agbor language.
What is Agbor language?
Agbor language is an Agbor language you speak.
Yeah, so but it's
we speak Eka language.
Eka,
yes.
Eka language. But it has Igbo.
No.
What is
they understand our language, but we are not Igbo.
Despite
Igbo is different from Agbor.
But when you want to say come, how do you say it again?
Yeah.
And you want to say go.
It's like similar Jeme.
And you want to say I want to eat. So, and how many market days do you have here?
4 market days.
Mention them.
Which is Ekan, yeah, Nkwo Ori Afo. That's Nkwo Ekan Ori Afo. There are 4 the Nkwo Ekan Ori Afo. There are 4.
Did the Eka people adopted this market days? They adopted it. Who did they adopt it from?
From the is right from time.
From which time? From their time, from the time of.
Exactly.
And they are not Igbo people who has this same.
No, we are not like Igbo people, but tradition.
What is it? What are your traditions?
We'll do festival like Osezi Festival.
What?
Osezi Festival.
Osiri.
Osezi.
Osezi.
Yeah, festival. We'll do New Yam Festival.
You do New Yam Festival. That is what do you call it? What do you call New Yam Festival?
New Yam Festival. Iwagi.
Iwaji.
Yes, exactly.
Is it another? Did the Igbo people? Was there a time the Igbo people invaded or conquered here and imposed any tradition
No.
It's just the way of the people.
Exactly, you are correct.
So and people are known for their culture and tradition and also their language, isn't it?
Exactly.
And Eka people, despite having these similarities and all these strong affinity with the Igbo and not Igbo people?
Exactly, you are correct.
They are not. No, I'm not. I don't have to be correct. I want you to give me the right information.
That we are not like Igbo. Our tradition is different from Igbo.
What are the difference? What are the difference there?
See, I'm calling the festival.
You said Iwaji.
Exactly.
Iwaji is Iriji.
Exactly. We have.
And there is an Igbo tradition.
It's not an Igbo tradition.
Whose tradition is that?
It's our own tradition.
It's your own tradition. Okay, the Igbo people borrowed it from here.
I cannot say.
So what are you saying?
People have different way of their tradition, but our own tradition.
But I'm telling you, the Igbo people, we can say across the Niger, even the Asaba people, the Anocha people, and every Igbo community is here. Okay, let me ask you. Do you see the Anocha man as a different person from you?
I cannot say we are the same. Agbor man is a different person entirely from any ethnicity.
When we are talking about Agbor, I mean, let's talk general Eka people. Eka people celebrate this New Year festival, right?
Exactly. To start, we are from Ekasa local government area.
Yeah, this is Eka South, yes, exactly. I know. And we are in Agbor. But they are Eka people.
Ekasa local government have their way of doing things. We have that Eka North East, which is Owaji.
Do they do Iwaji?
They do their own.
Do they do Iwaji?
Exactly, they do their own.
Do they have Eke Afo-Orie Ngwo?
Yes.
Do the same thing?
They do, but the way they do their own is different from ours.
Do they do it and call it Iwaji?
Exactly.
Do they practice the same 4 market days?
Yeah, exactly.
The same Eke Orie Afo Ngwo?
Exactly.
And they are not Igbo people?
No. I can't say we are Igbo.
Who are you?
We are from Eka.
Eka. Eka, is it a race?
It's the name of it.
I mean, is it another ethnic group?
Yeah, like you have it's a local government.
No. The Eka people, the Eka people, before the creation of the local government, Eka has been in existence.
Right from
and
time.
They have had their way of life.
Exactly.
This way of life is, I mean, it's undoubtedly has an affinity with the Igbos, definitely from the Anyochas, the Ndokwas, because all of them celebrate the same thing. And also, when you come to, yes, the Ogwashi.
I cannot compare our local government, Agbor, to any other local government. I can know different thing entirely.
Yes. But they have a way of
doing their things.
But they do Iwaji.
Exactly.
So how different is it?
If I cannot say, because I cannot tell our side of it.
Does the Benin
people?
Does the Benin people do Iwaji?
They can do, but I can't.
Have you heard it?
They do celebration, but I don't know how.
Iwaji.
I don't know how it's been.
Do they have the 4 market days?
Unless you go there to know.
I want to ask you. You are learned.
Okay.
Does the Benin, who is your closest neighbor, do they have the 4 market days like you, the Eka people?
I can't say. I'm only talking of our side.
But you know that the people about how many miles away from you, like the Anambras, the Imos, is Iwaji, and have the 4 market days.
If I thought they do Iwaji,
but you mean you've not heard it?
I know they do it, but
so now if these other people does it, if these other the Benin people does it, wouldn't you have heard? You are just some few steps away from Benin.
I don't know how they been performed. What I say.
Are you being economic with the truth?
Are
you being economical with the truth? Yeah.
I'm telling you the fact.
You know that the people from the other side does Iwaji and practices the same 4 market days like the Eka people.
Exactly.
Huh?
Yeah, but
they are not. You cannot
say how they practice it on their own side. But I'm only.
What is no? A name is a name. So a practice is a practice. Do they practice this kind of thing? Yeah, the way your ceremony goes.
How other people practice their way of things, I cannot say. I'm only telling you, Agbor people, how things have been.
What do you practice here?
We do festivals, I tell you.
Yeah, mention it again.
We have a Osiris festival, have a New Year festival. We
call it by the name, by the local name.
Iwagi.
Iwaji.
Yes. We have our way of doing things. How
do you do that Iwaji? How do you do that Iwaji?
Iwagi is being celebrated between the month of October. To give thanks of the farm, which is called Ihajokun. Ihajokun. And to give thanks to the God of the land for bumper harvest, which is that's how Iwagi is being celebrated.
And the only crop that is being used, no other crop is being used, right? What is the staple crop that was used, that is being used for that?
We'll find yam.
And what are you?
Cassava.
Do you do cassava?
Yes.
Do you roast cassava and give to people?
No, not roast.
What is the major symbol of that Iwaji? Which crop?
Yam.
Thank you. You know, what we are doing here is for posterity's sake and also for educating people. You understand? So it's obvious that the Eka people does similar thing with their brothers in the hinterland, the Igbos.
Cannot say now. I'm only talking of my side.
You have not traveled?
No.
All right, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Okay, waiting be your name.
I'm Chus Eboka. Chus Eboka.
Chooks.
Eboka,
yeah. Eboke.
Eboka.
Eboka.
Yeah.
Okay, Chus Eboka.
Yeah.
Wow, I met an Eboka somewhere in Asaba.
Yeah.
All right, Chooks Eboka. So what's the full meaning of that Chooks?
It's Chukuyim.
Chukwudi.
Chukuyim.
Chukwunyem.
Yeah.
Okay, Chukwunyem Eboka.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Agbor. Yeah.
Agbor.
Yeah.
You're an Agbor man.
It can't south. Yeah.
Eka South.
Yeah.
Okay, you're from here?
Yeah.
All right, sir. There's this thing we do. We are Namen TV.
Yeah.
We are going around the cities, connecting people.
Yeah.
Around the Igbo cities, like we call it.
Yeah.
I want you to tell us about the Eka people here.
Eka people, in fact, they are loving people. They love strangers. We accommodate even both the houses, wherever we may come from. We always accommodate everybody. We take everyone as one. We ask everybody as one. So there's unity and peace here in Agbor. Ever since I grew up in this town.
You grew up in this town?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm feeling the peace because when I came in, the hospitality was really awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I thank you.
Yeah.
I thank you. I thank your people from you. Anyhow, all right, sir. Tell us, the Eka people, the Agbor people. When we came in here, we heard language that is like Igbo language. You know, it was entering my ear. Eka people, Igbo people.
Yes, we are all one. It's just a little difference in Igbo language, but we do almost the same. The traditions are almost the same thing. It's just the language, but sometimes we do understand each other. We speak like Igbo people, so we're all one.
Yeah, okay, we understand the Eka people speaks Igbo language, yeah. But in Eka dialect, huh?
Yes, in the Kala dialect, but we speak like Igbo people, so we do things as one.
Okay, what are the things you think that you do like Igbo people?
The things we do like Igbo people are, like, for instance, in terms of tradition, like this New Year festival, our own is forthcoming. So we are going to celebrate it on 1st of October.
1st of October?
Yeah, this
the New Yam Festival. Iriji. What do you call it here?
We call it Iwagi.
Iwaji.
Wow. So we do the same thing with the Igbos as Igbos does.
Really?
Yes.
You know, people from across the Niger, a lot of people, a lot of youth does not know Eka.
The fact that if just because of, if you don't move out, you may not understand what is going on. But as long as we are together, to me, I still believe, as to myself, sometimes I do go to Onisha to buy things. Some of the Igbos do come to this place as well. So, except if you have not moved out of your state, that's why you will not acknowledge this so-called Eka language. So the Agbor language is a very popular language, which even across the nation, they know about Agbor people.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Okay, yeah, well, Agbor is an ancient town. Yeah, I know that a lot of people know about Agbor, because if you talk about Delta State, definitely Agbor is playing a significant role.
Of course.
Okay, tell us, how many market days do you have here? And tell us the names.
Like tomorrow, I've been in Nkwo.
Okay, tomorrow is Nkwo. Today is what?
Today is Afo.
Afo.
Yeah.
All right, tell us about the market.
That's our market day here in Agbor. That is, we call it Afiobi.
Afiobi.
It's very close here.
Okay.
No.
So mention the 4 market days you practice here.
We have our 4 here. We have a Ken, and we also have Nkwo and Orie.
Wow, man, this is huge. This is huge. You understand? Because I mean, I believe our forefathers, our progenitors. I mean, the progenitors of Igbo, the real people that they throw into Allah Igbo. Meaning, ka enwe ihe ahịa ka ejiri amara ka ha jiri amara ụmụ ha mara ndị ha wụ. Kwe?
Oh yeah, no.
Kwe?
Yes, oh yeah.
Kasu Igbo.
Oh yeah. I know ikuru.
So you know, mgbe ha mere ihe ahịa then nwekwe nyekwa anyị iri ji si ka ejiri akọcha ihe niile akọrọ n'ubi. Mgbe eru na October kwe? October ka unu ji eri.
Nke anyị ya.
Abịa wepụta ya. Then rie emume ji.
All kinds of equipment too. All the same way kind of member.
Man, ịma Igbo ndị ọzọ chọrọ mmekọ. Ọya ka anyị ji pụta. Ihe ndata na anyị ga-eji, anyị ga-agagharị mmekọ Igbo ọnụ. Ka Igbo nọ na Anambra, Igbo nọ na Abịa, Igbo nọ na Ikwere, Igbo nọ na Eche, Igbo nọ na Ọhafịa were weta aka jiri nakọ nwanne ha si na iwe onye Igbo ibe m ka anyị mekọ ihe. I kwetere na ihe dị ụta?
Ekwetere m afọ. Ekwetere m ọfụma. Ekwetere m
ndị ka ọ nọ na ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Ndị ka ha na-emekọ ihe wit ọhaneze ndị Igbo.
Of course. Yes.
Okay, anyị na-ele anya na ihe niile anyị na-eme ga-apụta ihe na onye ka ga-ahụta onwe ya, onye nọ na Anambra ma onye nọ na Abia Steeti, onye nọ na Ngwa ga-ahụta onye ka n'ọkwa onye Igbo ibe ya. Na ịma ihe ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị emeela enwe nnukwute nkewa na ndị Igbo nọ na ofe mmiri na ndị Igbo nọ na nke ebe nke ọzọ. So kedu ihe ị nwere ike ikwu maka ihe dị ụta?
Dịka etu ahụ nwoke ma na-apụta na as president Peter Obi, anyị na-asọpọtụkwa ya. Yes, anyị na ebe a na-asọpọtụkwa.
Mana unu nwere mana asị Okowa nwa unu nwoke na-aga n'azọ ka ọ wụrụ onye osote Atiku. Kedu onye gwa m maka nke a?
Nke Okowa ahụ tiketi ịtụ afọ mmụọ alaka nke onye Igbo ka anyị danda onye Hausa ka onye nke ahụ o jere mite ebe ahụ onye Hausa that's Atiku. Ọkwa ya na-azọ achọrọ echi Nigeria. So but onye mụ na-support that Peter Obi ka anyị na-support na even Agbor here, even the youth ha na-akwado na so
ha na-akwanyere Peter Obi. Okay, ha hụtara na ọwụrụgodi na Okowa mana maka na ọwụ na ọ na-azọ na ewu onye
na-achọzụ ka onye Hausa kezi na obodo ya. So anyị na-support kwa that
ọwụrụ onye Igbo.
ya.
Wow. Udo dịara gị.